Water is everything to me. We drink it every day to stay alive, shower with it to feel clean, use it to wash dishes, and who doesn't love jumping into a pool on a hot day? Water is literally life. But in places like Arizona, droughts and shortages make every drop count. Now, what if a small company was quietly recycling wastewater, cleaning it up to the highest standards so it can be reused for irrigation, industry, and landscaping, instead of wasting fresh water? That's Global Water Resource, ticker GWRS. Now, I'm assuming that the ticker symbol is supposed to represent the abbreviations of the company name. However, I don't know what the S in there would stand for. But anyways, they cut freshwater use by over 30% while paying monthly dividends to shareholders like you and me. Stick around because I'm going to break down how this essential water stock works and if it's worth your money in 2026. Before we get into it though, please consider giving this video a like, subscribe if you haven't. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And with that being said, let's dive in. Global Water Resources is a small water company based in the Phoenix area of Arizona. They own and operate 32 systems that provide wastewater treatment and recycled water utilities to homes and businesses around there. Their main focus is total water management, which is making sure water is used smartly and efficiently. It's an essential utility business. Today I'm going to walk you through how it really works day to day, what I like about it, the full picture, and if it's worth putting money in during 2026. Stick with me. So let's get into how they actually make this work. They take used water from homes like sewage and shower runoffs and treat it to remove contaminants so it can be safely reused. The core of their business is total water management. They focus on maximizing recycled water by cleaning wastewater to the highest standards and sending it back out for irrigation, industrial processes, landscaping, or other non-drinking usages. By doing that, they've cut freshwater use by over 30%, which saves a ton of clean water for drinking, showers, cooking, and other essential needs. Arizona's population keeps growing every year, which means water demand gets higher and higher. Their approach helps meet that without draining out more fresh sources. They stay adaptive and forward-thinking by constantly monitoring water usage patterns, investing in new technologies, and updating infrastructure to handle the increasing needs and changing conditions. Personally, I like that concept of keeping water flowing efficiently in a place that can't afford to waste it. So now the real question, is this worth investing in during 2026? Let's take a look at the good parts, the bad parts, and what I really think. First, the good parts. The monthly dividend stands out. Most stocks pay quarterly, some pay twice a year, and others just pay annually, but this one sends you cash every single month. Even if it's a tiny amount per share, it feels nice to see that regular money keeps coming in. As a utility, the demand is rock solid. People need water no matter what, and population growth means usages is only going up. The recycling focus is smart long term. It positions them well for future regulations and shortages. The stock right now trades at around $8 with a small market cap. It's not flashy, but it's under the radar, which means less attention from those big funds. Now, the bad parts. Growth is slow. They are limited to one region, so expansion depends on population trends and regulatory approvals for new systems or rate increases. Capital spending is heavy. They invest a lot in infrastructure and tech, which can put a lot of pressure on short-term earnings. Q4 in 2025 was very weak, with a dip in revenue and loss in earnings, showing how costs like depreciation and interest can hit hard in some quarters. It's a small cap, so liquidity can be low and price can swing heavy on small trades. Now, here's my take. As a company, I actually really like this company. I like that they are preserving water and making sure that the city and communities around it have fresh fresh drinking water for future generations to come. So as a company, I like it, but as a stock, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I know it won't shoot up in price, but for me, it pays dividends and it hasn't reverse split or went down in price below the initial public offering. The way I see it is that this company won't grow your portfolio, but it can be reliable for dividend income. And also with the dividends, it's been steadily increasing throughout the years. However, to be honest, not by much. So unless you plan on investing a ton of money into this stock, you will notice that increase, but with a few shares, you probably won't even see it. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. Okay, that's Global Water Resources in a nutshell. If this breakdown helped you understand this company a bit more, hit the like button, subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and comment down below what stock I should cover next. If you're into these kinds of essential steady dividend plays, check out the one I did on Stellantis. And also, if you're not on Robinhood yet, use my link in the description. You get a free stock when you sign up. It could be worth $5 to $200. It's free to sign up and you get free money out of it. And plus, it helps support the channel. And while we're at it, if you're into crypto, check out Coinbase with my link. You get $10 in crypto after your first trade of $5 or more. So yes, this one actually does require you to invest money, but it's a nice little bonus. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.